Dear customers and everyone that watching this video, would like to wish you happy holidays, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. It's been a very interesting year for all of us. We got lots of new products, lots of equipment, we've done lots of installations, and we're able to understand many new projects, got rebates for many customers. One of our goals was to make every single customer is happy, to make sure whatever we do and install in our house, you're happy with our work, you're happy with the equipment, and you know that we're always there for you. No matter what happens, we'll take care of with the labor and the product warranty, be there for you to fix throughout all the times. And we always invest back in our company, in our tax departments and so on. Every year most of the money goes back because we would like for the company to grow, to make sure we can bring new products to you, always have the top quality, be price competitive, innovative, and always happy to help you. One more time, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. So I'll see you next year. This is Mike with Fuse. We love you.